Alrighty guys, welcome to the channel. Just thought we'll do a quick Christmas special video. Nothing too flash, just recording straight off the iPhone. I haven't shown too much about this project on the channel, but the challenge was, I've seen a lot of comments on other YouTubers' videos saying, hey, that Toyan L200 would look amazing in a boat and would probably go just as well. So I thought I'd take the challenge and get one fitted. So here it is mounted. So I've designed up, I'll try and focus here, designed up and printed a engine mount, which sits into this little, what is it, Vector 80 boat. And I don't know if I can, you can't really see it, it's all hidden in the mess. Excuse the mess around, guys. This is a work in progress. Focus. Alrighty, so motor's mounted. This is meant to have a bit of a clutch, but with all the shimming, I still need to shim it up, but it's kind of direct drive at the moment. Got a prop in there. There's a solid steel shaft. There's a prop on there. It's a reverse prop because the way the motor spins. Got the radio gear somewhat dummied up just to make sure. Printed up a little servo mount. Dummied up a little throttle linkage, which works. Got some rudder movement happening, which is pretty cool. So at the moment I'm just working out to get the glow driver and starter soldered up so we can run it off the single battery. Yeah, so this is very close to getting started. I've got the fuel line in there set up. There's a mess. Do I know where I've put the fuel tank? Yep, there it is. So I'm going to be running this fuel tank. Just going to go like that. It's going to mount to where the LiPo was meant to go. Fuel line hooks up to that bottom one there. That's just going to be a vent, which will come out through the top there. And yeah, really keen to see. I don't even know if this thing will float. The motor is probably quite a lot heavier than what the electric motor was, but all going well, we should have a running, working 4-stroke 2-cylinder boat coming up quite soon. So stay tuned, subscribe, smash the like, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and hopefully get a video of this thing in the water quite soon. If there's anyone out in the Melbourne, Australia area, shoot me a comment, drop me a message. If you've got a boat, keen to get this thing on the water soon, and if you want to be around for that, I'm happy to have some people around, fellow YouTubers or non-YouTubers, anyone that's just into the hobby. Western suburbs of Melbourne, let me know, and we will organise a time to catch up, because I'll more than likely need a recovery boat, which I do not have. So yeah, stay tuned guys. This thing looks like it's very close to happening.